Guys, we're an mcmtr again. We're taking 2 trains. This time going on the Quintong line to Diamond Hill, I think. Yeah, Diamond Hill. Alright, I'm gonna have to fade. Sorry. We're going on the Quintong line to Diamond Hill. Then we're going to Qigong Temple on the Tunma line. And also, this server may have lag, but you're probably just gonna have to ignore it. Yep, please just ignore it while I fade. Alright, our train is almost here. Alright, we'll see. Oh, lag. Lag. Narrator. Yeah, this server has lag. Kip May is next. Alright, we have a few stops until Diamond Hill. Kowloon Tong station is next. Luck Fu is next. Next station, Diamond Hill. We're going off here. Transferring to the Chunma line. Right over here. Going to Ukai Sha. Alright, you don't need to watch me waiting around, so let's skip ahead. Alright, I think our train is here. Maybe there's not gonna be any lag. So we'll have to see. Alright, we're going to Qigong Temple. We'll end the video. Alright, this is Tin Hang. Alright, I think it's 3 more stops. 2, I guess. Next station, Taiwei. Oh, yep. It's actually 2 stops. One more stop. One more stop. We'll get off the train. But pressing shift because I have to get off. Alright. Please subscribe for more YouTube videos like on Dr. Dollar One like this. Please leave a like and do those things. And yep. Bye everybody.